Hey guys, welcome. So, how do you manually fulfill orders via the AutoDs here? Now, it's going to be really quick, so bear with me with this one. Just is a summarization of what is actually happening here, okay? Because there's auto fulfillment, and we also have manual fulfillment. The auto fulfillment is actually quite easy, but the manual fulfillment is just basically requires a few steps and familiarization of the actual thing. Now I want you to click here, and you could just go ahead and add supplier, and you can see a bunch of platforms here, and all of the orders that basically needs fulfillment. And that is it. Manually fulfill all of this, all the details here, and you'll be golden from there. And just click enter after you're done with this, all of this one. So keep in mind that you have to make sure that all is on par with the actual details when you uploaded the product in the first place. So yeah, that's just it. Fulfill. And thank you so much for watching, and you guys have a nice day.